Hey everyone, it's me, Bryan teacher. Today, I'm going to make my favorite dessert, icebox cake. I love icebox cake for 3 reasons. Number 1, it is easy to make. You need 2 ingredients, cookies and cream. That's it, just 2 things. Second, it is cheap to make. It is not expensive. This costs about 7,000 won. It is not expensive. And number 3, it tastes good. I love cookies and I love whipping cream. Together, I love cookies and cream. Today, I will teach you how to make icebox cake. Are you ready? Then let's get started. Okay, step number 1 is to get your ingredients ready. You need cookies. I like Oreo cookies. They are the best. You can use chocolate cream. You can use original. Or you can even use golden Oreos. Any Oreo cookie is okay. Red velvet, s'mores, chocolate, strawberry, the peanut butter cream, they are all okay. Second, you need whipping cream. You have to get a big box. The bigger, the better. That's it. 2 ingredients, and you're ready to go. Next, you need to get your equipment ready. These are your cooking tools. You need 1 small bowl, about the size of my hand. 1 bigger bowl, it's a little bigger than my hand. 1 plastic or glass case. You build your cake in here. You also need a mixer to make the whipped cream. You can use a hand mixer or an electric mixer. This is very easy. This is a little bit harder. Also, you need a spoon and a knife. That's about it. All the tools you need. Okay, do you have your ingredients? Do you have your cooking tools? This is step number 1. Step number 1, you need to get your cookies ready. Open your box and check. Usually, 1 box has 2 packs of cookies. 2 boxes make a big cake. I like to use 1, 2, 3, 4 cookie packs. Okay. First, open the cookies. An Oreo cookie has 3 parts. The cookie, the cream, and the cookie. You need to open the cookie like this. Open the cookie and clean the cream. With the knife, it's okay. With the knife, you clean the cream from the cookies. Then put the cookies in the big bowl. If your cookies break, it's okay. No problem. Clean the cream and put the cookies in the bowl. Open and clean. Open the cookies and clean the cookies. See that? There's a little cream on it, and that's okay. But you want the cream in the bowl, not on the cookie. There's the cream. And there is the cookie. One cookie, no cream. And you repeat again and again. Cookie. Okay, here's what it looks like when you're finished. The cookies and the cream. Okay, now that the cream is in the bowl, it's time to add the whipping cream. This big box is 1,000 milliliters. We don't want 1,000 milliliters, we want 500. So, we will cut the box and put in about half. Not all of the whipping cream, half. Like this. And right in the bowl. Mix it all around. 500 milliliters. That's about it. Now comes the hard part, mixing. Put your mixer in the bowl and turn it to low. This is not fast, it's slow. And mix it around. It's okay to make a little mess. Whoa! Here it goes. Do you see a cookie in there? Me too. Let's fish him out. Where did he come from? Come here, Mr. Cookie. You go in the cookie bowl. Boom. One more time. Put it in. Start low. Mix it at low. And you can see the bubbles are starting to form. That's good. You're going to mix and mix and mix for 10 minutes. That's perfect. Dip and it sticks. Well done. All right, now for the next step, making the cake. We have the whipping cream, the cookies, and a dish. This dish we have to cover in whipping cream. Use a spoon. Use a fork, use a knife. Put the whipping cream on the bottom. It's a whipping cream bed. Your cookies will go to sleep in this bed. I'm gonna cover the bottom like this. Not too much, not too little. Cover the bottom. Then we make a cookie bed. One cookie in the cream. One cookie next to his friend. Another cookie. Another cookie. Another cookie. And another cookie. The cookies are in the whipping cream bed. Then we put the whipping cream blanket on the cookies. Cover the cookies. Cover the top, cover the bottom, cover the sides. Paint that cookie blanket. Like this. You can see the side is whipping cream. The front is whipping cream. The back is whipping cream, and this side is whipping cream. It's all covered. And then repeat. If you want, you can add some extra goodies. I like to put strawberries and bananas on the bed. One strawberry, one banana. One strawberry and one banana. Strawberries and bananas. You can add other cookies, you can add sprinkles, you can add chocolate chips, you can add peanuts, M&Ms, anything you want. I like to add strawberries and bananas. I think strawberries and cream is a very good combination. Strawberries and banana, it's even better. Your icebox cake will look like this. Cookies, cream, cookies, cream, filling, cream. Cover everything in whipping cream. The whipped cream is the most important part of this cake. Cover them up like a painter. I am Picasso. Next, some more cookies. 2 cookies, 3 cookies, 4 cookies, 5 cookies, 6 cookies. Now if you have some spaces, you can fill them in with a broken cookie. Break it and fill in the blanks. You don't want too much whipping cream. You want to mix cookies and cream. A nice balance. Cookies and cream. What's the next step? You got it. More cream. Wow, doesn't that look great? Then if you want, you can add some more. Strawberries and bananas, chocolate chips, sprinkles, frozen blueberries. We love strawberries in my house, so I'm gonna add more strawberries. Anything is okay. What you like, you can add. What you don't like, don't put. Put a couple bananas just to make it more beautiful. The black cookies, the white cream, the red and yellow bananas and strawberries. It is a beautiful cake. Okay, we'll do one more whipping cream to top it off. And that is your whipping cream cake. Now you can see I have lots of cream and many cookies. I can make many more cakes. This cake, close the top. And where do we put it? We put it in the refrigerator. Here is what the icebox cake looks like when it's finished. And here is the best way to eat it. With a hot cup of coffee. That's it. We're all finished. But don't forget, take a picture of your cake
take a picture of making your cake. And finally, take a picture of eating your cake. And send it to Bryan teacher or Michelle teacher, and we'll give you some bonus points. And as always, thanks for listening, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.